Good morning and welcome to the Waverider Morning News. I'm Bryn.
And I'm Kaylee. Today is Wednesday, November 28, 2018. It is the 52nd day of school. Now here's a special announcement from our PTA about the Giving Market.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Cowabunga Kelsey and I'm here with the Boosterthon team to help your PTA with this year's Giving Market. Now, the Giving Market is a holiday shop that you can help buy gifts for all your family members, friends, whoever you would like to, and it all starts with generosity. Now, generosity is a very important thing. It means giving to anyone else in the world, anyone at all that you can think of, and expecting nothing in return. So, every day, we're going to be giving you a generosity challenge. Now, today's generosity challenge is to give anyone in the hallway, your friends, your teacher, a high five. This can brighten someone's day and really change their mood for the rest of their week. So, let's see how many high fives you can get. That's all for now. This is Booster out.
Attention 5th graders, mark your calendars for these upcoming important middle school open houses. Brickwell Academy Dance Program, December 4th. Visual Arts Program, December 5th. Corporate Landing Middle, December 6th. Old Donation School Brickell Academy, January 3rd. Please watch Channel 4 for more. Here are today's birthdays. Happy birthday today to Caleb T. from Miss Uderick's class. Please be sure to stop by the office to pick up your birthday brag tag charm. We hope you have a great birthday. Today's lunch is a choice of pork barbecue and bun, Domino's pizza, fresh stuffed salad and flatbread, 8-ounce yogurt and flatbread, and PB&J sandwich.
Now it's time for the weather with Rylan.
Currently under fair skies, the temperature is 31 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is 1,008.7 millibars and rising. Winds are coming from the west at 9 miles per hour. The humidity this morning is 64%. In the past 24 hours, we have received no rain at Ocean Lakes. The National Weather Service forecast calls for a sunny and breezy day with no chance of rain. Today's high temperature will be 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight's low temperature will be 31 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-day outlook calls for sunny skies tomorrow, mostly cloudy Friday with a slight chance of showers, then a good chance of showers over the weekend. High temperatures will be in the upper 40s tomorrow, the mid-50s Friday, then the mid to upper 60s for the weekend. That's all for today's weather. Now back to Bryn and Kaylee.
Thanks, Rylan. Those are all the announcements for today. I'm Bryn.
And I'm Kaylee.
Have a wild Wednesday.